Hello, this is Shaylin 3D Pring, and welcome to Print Week 152, Melted Toy Brick Pen Holder. Okay, so the print's done, so I'm going to go ahead and grab it off the bed. This is a pen holder that looks like it's melting, and it looks like it's toy brick that's melting into your table. And I find the melting pattern to look kind of cartoonish, but I think that plays into the vibe of it looking like a toy brick that's melting. It can hold a mechanical pencil or regular pencil, and it holds it in pretty good. You can kind of knock it around, it won't fall out. And it also holds a pen. It can also do it. The sizing there on that hole makes it where you have to have a pen that's small enough to fit. That's just done for it's not too loose and then the pen can fall out. So some fatter pens won't work. But overall, it's a really cool spot where you could store your pen on your desk. This print was made by Ingamax. It's on MakerWorld. I'll have the link down in the description. If you liked the video, go and leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.